But DK's Customs. Man, out here, where we at?
We in Cleveland, Texas. The beautiful city of Cleveland, Texas, man.
Man, in the middle of
Cleveland, man, you gotta look at it.
It is though, man. This is like when you think of like Texas. When I was coming down here, it really had that true Texas old school Western vibe. I'm seeing like steers and cows.
Cows, horses,
Yeah.
dogs running out chasing cars. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, this is real country,
Yeah, we in the country.
man. But hey, you invited me out here. I appreciate you.
No, for
The
sure.
invite. You definitely got a lot of stuff going on, man. So, man, you say you're gonna redo your truck. What color you think about doing it?
So I want this one to kind of match my brand, you know, the gold, brown, black. So maybe a chocolate, you know, with my logos on it, or windows wrapped. So this one's gonna be the rolling business car right here. I want you to be able to get all my contact information.
Okay.
See this truck.
Man, because everybody love these things still. And man, I'm talking about he done had this thing painted many years ago. Because I mean, last time I seen it was a while ago.
No,
Okay.
5 years ago, last time we painted.
Man, I've been watching that boy Bezo still.
Yeah.
You put me on Bezo, you been watching him?
Uh-huh.
Oh man, what you got to tell that boy Bezo, man? If he see this video, man.
Inspiration. No, don't lie. Me watching Bezo honestly made me realize that it is possible to do this.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying? So
He be keeping it real on his
he
content
keep
though.
it real on his content, so he is an inspiration. I done commented on some of his videos before, and man, yeah, Bezo definitely, he's one of the ones that inspired me to do all of this.
Yeah.
That let me know it was possible, you know. Even though sometimes, like I had more the corporate side, you know, and he basically got it out to me. He taught it, you know, he taught himself how to do all this. But his drive and his
Ambition.
he just
Keep going.
Yeah, just to keep going, man. So I really shout out to Bezo. Shout out to Bezo. Hey, that'd be badass if I meet Bezo. Okay.
Yeah, man. I'm thinking he just in Oklahoma thinking like he can't be too far. Yeah. What year this is? A 78? This a Monty?
Monte Carlo. Custom off the frame. Doing all powder coating the frame. Got the custom Corleones.
What you doing on here? 22s, some 24s,
I believe 22.
some 6s.
Old school cat. Nah, he old school.
Okay.
Maybe you got the frame notch. You got everything.
Man, you got some stuff going on.
This Cadillac Escalade was actually inspired by another guy, man.
What color you finna do on this one?
This one gonna be a color shifting pearl.
Oh shit, you finna show out on this one.
Yeah, this one gonna be nasty. Yeah, this one gonna be nasty. Gonna be color shifting, lime, blue, gold, red.
About 7 different colors. What's gonna be the main color?
Inside and out. The main color is gonna be, well, it's gonna shift all over. I ain't gonna do it. So normally when I do,
Ain't on them big boys like some 30s or some 8s. Them some 8s or some 30s. Put them in some 30s. No, it's huge. I know them motherfuckers big though. Yo, what you saying on that though? It's finna shift.
Oh yeah, it's gonna shift. It's gonna shift hard.
But what's gonna be the main color?
So, lime green, red, orange. It's gonna be blue, purple.
So you finna go in there and whip up something.
Yeah,
Can you ever match it though? Like if something happened?
I can.
Yeah.
I can, because I got the formula to it. So.
Yeah. Pop that
Nobody
shit
else
then.
can, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
Nobody
pop that
else
shit
can.
then.
Nobody else can. But this one gonna be crazy. Yeah,
What year this one is?
I'm not sure. But this is a buddy of mine, man. He own a janitorial business, and all his cars,
They be crazy, huh?
they all crazy. All crazy.
Man. It's like you got a 76 over there too.
Trans Am, full restoration,
Mm-hmm.
inside and out.
I'm talking about, man, I'm looking at it like it's all the way down to the metal for sure.
Everything.
Panel by panel.
At the end of this project, this car gonna be $500,000.
Damn.
$500,000 car right here.
What kind of motor they gonna go? They gonna blow her and everything. But yeah, man, these floorboards, Swiss cheese.
All new floors, trunks, firewall.
Got it all.
Cow, roof. We replacing everything on it. Quarters. And that's legit. That's the legit way of doing it. This is professional welding. This ain't no hack welds.
Yeah.
You know, everything's been cleaned up. The whole car been sandblasted, strips.
No shortcuts.
No shortcuts.
On a rotisserie.
On a rotisserie.
Look at all the man. Look at all this shit that y'all had to cut out, man. Y'all could put a whole nother car together.
This ain't even there. This some old metal outside.
Oh man, you say you got the paint booth finna go up? Man, you doing what's this right here?
This
Camaro?
68.
68 Camaro?
Yep, same thing. All new floors, quarters, trunk pans, firewall, undercarriage, seals, and shaving off the drip rails. Whoever started it, they started it, but we're gonna take those back down and do that the right way. Shave those off.
Come down a little bit more on it.
Mm-hmm. Doing everything.
There's gonna be another one. How much you think this one gonna be worth when it's done?
Oh, easy 400, easy.
Damn.
Done, same thing. Motor, everything's getting done. This one gonna be mean too.
Well, you giving my folks some good content, man.
Yeah, this one gonna be mean.
They ain't gonna appreciate it, man. They ain't gonna understand how many hours finna go into this, man.
Yeah. But wait till the turnaround. Watch the turnaround. That's gonna be the crazy.
How long you giving this one?
That's a secret, man. When it's done, that's when we'll let you know
Okay.
that it's done. You looking at it right now.
This gonna be like some Autorama type stuff.
Mark the date. You ain't gonna see this car still in this position a year later.
Yeah.
Most shops doing it 2 years later, 5
Yeah.
years.
Mm-hmm.
Nah. That's what we're trying to change. We're trying to turn this into a production, restoration production. You know what I'm saying? We get them done fast, and efficient, professional.
Mm-hmm. This is way more panels than what mine was. This is gonna be huge.
Well, so because that's two panels.
Okay.
Mix it.
Oh. I have to say, cause I'm like, man, mine is not where there are that many panels. So you. This is crazy. This combination. Finna take it all back down though, huh? Man, I know I'm gonna have to I'm gonna have to just edit this without the what you call it. I'm not gonna put that on there. I don't wanna put nobody tags on there. Boy, when I was coming out here, I'm like, boy, this Johnny Law. I rode through the city and I'm like, man, I ain't been out here since way back in the day, man. I probably ain't been. Boy, it's so quiet and peaceful out here.
It is quiet.
I don't even hear birds chirping. He got some kind of LS in there. I know that much.
Okay. No, I don't need nothing right now. All right. See, we was just doing our final cleanup. Gotta clean the engine bay, wash it, freshen it up.
How long has it been since you painted this one?
Shit, I wanna say like,
Boy, that paint hitting though. That's clean.
Your mufflers, because I don't know if you want to use them. They're Flowmaster, like look like 40 series.
Hmm.
So you
I know it
can
had
use
some
those.
rumble on it before though.
Yeah, you can reuse those. Just muffler shop and tell them you want to use them.
Okay. Man, y'all see he done put a lot of stuff up in here. Wires, distributor on there.
We need to get also another one of these. The,
Okay.
fan relay kit,
Okay.
because this kit is per fan, so we need 2 of them
Okay.
for both fans.
I get another one of these. All right. This hose ain't work. Take that back. That radiator I know was direct to fit.
Yeah, this deal didn't want to fit too good. We had to kind of angle it. We're gonna pull this back off and cut this little tab off. It was just hitting here, so just cut it off, trim it off a little bit.
I thought it was black. It's actually chrome.
Yeah, I haven't pulled the thing off. I had to get these little grommets. They go inside here.
Okay. I need to order 'em?
No, I already got them.
Okay.
I was missing them. I had to order those last week because I wanted to get the radiator sitting right, so I went ahead and got them.
So you put that cap on there?
Yeah, just a bunch of little shit, man. Like we had to get this power steering cap, the fitting for there. We have to get the little the grommets for the breathers for both sides.
Okay. That's gonna be like them little cones.
Yeah, just so I got the breather, but I gotta get the grommets for them.
Jeez, this thing clean. It got Coyote in it?
Yeah.
You built this?
No, I'm just finishing it up. So we're gonna use these breathers here, but we need different grommets for them. Got one, I gotta get another one. Yeah, man, it's coming along. I mean,
What about that dipstick bolt?
yeah, we still gotta put it in here. It's down here somewhere.
That's the something that's been on my list forever. Something so simple, right?
Yeah, man, I've just been so busy. I haven't had like a lot of time to really like mess with it. I've been
I'm seeing what these can do though. It's very impressive what this S197 can do with a Whipple on it. Is this that Gen 1 Coyote, right?
no, this is a 3-valve.
So this not an S197 then.
It's a S197 chassis, but it's a 4.6.
Okay. Stay clean. Man, you always have something nice up in here. That truck. Ooh.
Doing wheel with 6-piston brakes on it.
This that footage people want to see right here, Frank. The interior is crazy. Custom. That's got to be a custom intake.
Yeah. It's an $800 intake right there.
Just remind me of that one that they had on Gas Monkey when they first started putting them Coyotes in these old schools. What year is this? 60 what? This is 70? Man, it's so nice though. You got the TMI interior. This it. I bet you sound good. Got the nice wood up in here.
It's on airbags.
I was looking at that. You got some meat back there.
Airbags.
I mean, you put some bigger brakes on it, huh?